My Bilt Bronco riding mower will not start. I just replaced the starter, solenoid, and battery. The ignition fuse is fine and all safety interlock switches are in working order. After installing these parts, I did get it to start and ran it on full throttle for a good 10 minutes, but when I tried to restart, nothing but a single click sound. Starter does not even turn. Battery checks out at 12 amps. When I touch post on solenoid, starter kicks over. When I direct wire battery to starter, it jumps. Now, last year I did jump start the mower with my car. I know this is not good. What do I need to check next? Do I need to replace the alternator and coil?
I would not replace coil or alternator, at least not yet. Take the battery wire off the starter and with a voltmeter put it on the wire in the other end to ground on the engine block. Then turn to start and see what the voltage is at the positive wire that you took off starter. Should be 12 to 12.6 volts. If not, you are not getting all the volts from battery or bad ground. Seems like you're not getting all the volts to starter. It is also possible starter has a dead spot in it. There is an old trick you can try if you are getting 12 volts at the starter. And the same time you turn the key to start, tap the starter with a hammer and see if it kicks in and cranks. Do not tap hard or you will break the magnets in the starter. Also spray the starter gear with WD-40 or something like that to make sure bendix is working and not sticking.
I am not getting anywhere near 12 volts to the starter. Am I missing a ground wire connection somewhere? When I jump it from the solenoid, it kicks of the starter right away. So it's not the starter but some connection from the ignition to the solenoid to the starter.
Check your voltage from the battery cable end on the solenoid. Should be 12 volts. Then unhook the cable from starter on the solenoid and then switch the key to start and check the post on solenoid and see if you are getting 12V. Also check the small wire coming from key switch to solenoid and it should have 12V with key and start. If small wire has 12V and the cable post going to the starter does not, then I believe you got a bad solenoid. Check the small wire on solenoid back to key switch and make sure there is not a fuse. If there is, check it.
Bad solenoid. I put the old one back on.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.